Hi, welcome to Computer Code. Today I will show you how to add ChatGPT4 in your Microsoft Office Excel. So first of all, search Excel and open it. Choose blank document. Now go to Insert tab and click Get Ads. Please wait. In search box, search AI. In second number, you can see ChatGPT. Ad is here. It's a AI formula editor. So simply we click on add, accept terms and condition, and then click on continue. So you can see in right side of your Excel sheet, AI based formula editor is here. So you can edit and write any type of formula by typing text. Thanks for watching. It was based on ChatGPT4 AI system. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe my channel.